Okay, so we have some beautiful fig leaves here, and they're looking mighty pretty, and they're very healthy and ready. Okay, so I have the brown sugar, water, and the fig leaves in there. We're gonna boil this up to make a syrup. I must say that the smell while this boils is beautiful. I mean, it's like a cinnamon raisin type of scent, and if you've never boiled fig leaves, I would say you should, try this recipe, because I have never smelled a fig leaf being simmered before, and it really does smell quite nice. Alright, the walnut fudgy brownie mix is nice and ready. We will top it with the fig syrup. It has condensed pretty far. Not sure how much I'm supposed to get out of the recipe that I came across, like how many ounces, but it looks to be the right consistency, color, and texture. This will be the glaze that goes on top. Okay, so I topped it with the syrup. I'm going to put it in the oven now. Mashallah, absolutely amazing. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Fudgy brownies, the syrup absorbed well, there's a good crust on top. It's got that gooiness to it, which is wonderful, that comes with fudgy brownies. Mashallah, subhanallah, I had an idea and it came together well, and that's the fun part about baking, is that you get to practice over and over and over till you get it right. It was so aromatic while baking as well. Have a good day, and until next time, yeah. Okay, now the flavor profile, the texture, all of that is pretty much holding up, and I really like that, because some brownies, they get really tough the next day or crunchy because they're fresh, they don't have preservatives. But this really held up nice, and what's cool is when you cut it, this sauce is like, the syrup is at the bottom, so it's kind of like a sticky bun. You know how sticky buns have that sticky sauce on the bottom? And I like that very much. Okay, hope you have a good day. Wanted to show you what it looks like the next day as well, in case you want to bake ahead of time and bring it to your friend's house or a bake sale or a potluck.